We are both co-founders here. My name is Arpit.
I'm Ankur Gupta.
And at Campus Mall, we are looking to organize the school and college merchandise space. We're the official licensor to leading institutions, and we launch their online stores.
Where when we launch an e-store, basically alumni and students of those particular institutes can go online and order dedicated merchandise for branded for that institute from a dedicated store. So the whole experience is to create nostalgia for remembering the good old days of your school and college, and using that to buy merchandise and get it delivered anywhere in the country. So this is very interesting because this is a greenfield idea. We're essentially leaders with about 75 plus online stores across 40 cities currently, which makes us the largest operator for dedicated institute merchandise in the country.
Yeah, and if you were to put a number to the market size, it's not possible today because it is, as he said, a very growing pie. Every year with the alumni relations coming on, schools and colleges being more intent on branding, they're looking at merchandise as a way of expression, and that's where it's a a constantly expanding market that we see, and we're trying to ride that wave.
So it is when we say cities, right? It's not necessarily we are targeting cities. We are targeting premier institutes across the country wherever they are. So far, the institutes that we have targeted happen to be in across 40 cities. But there's obviously hubs. When you go to like top boarding schools, you've got Dehradun, Mussoorie area, or you've got certain segments in the south of the country which tend to have some of the older 50, 100 plus year old schools. But then you go far east as Calcutta, also there are some 150-year-old schools. You go to central India, there are some 120, 130-year-old schools. So wherever these top premier institutes are, we are targeting them.
See the targets. So the target has to be probably explained further. There are two targets. One is the institutions, which is schools and colleges that we want to work with, or who want to work with us in terms of launching their merchandise program, primarily an online store. The other target is once these online stores are there on the platform, who are going to buy that merchandise. So these are old students, alumni, even students outside the college who value that IIT or IIM brand or that top school brand and who want to own that piece of that brand through some merchandise. So there are two targets.
Those customers are based across the country. So our service and deliverability is across India.
So when we say 40, these are 40 cities across which we have institutional tie-ups, but our clients are present across India. Yeah.
There is a priority among alumni associations and institutes now to recognize engagement with alumni, right? Everyone's realizing that, hey, that's an important piece of engagement that we need to develop with our old students who have graduated, because that's also ultimately representation of their brand in the real world, right? So that has given us traction with reaching out and licensing those brands, saying with this license we're able to engage with your alumni community nationwide.
Yeah.
So that's been a big factor.
That's one. The second is obviously the internet e-commerce whole revolution is leading the wave. So it has helped us reach out to students who we would have never been able to do so. That's the second behavioral part. The first one is obviously the alumni connect, the whole feeling of being associated with your old school or your old college and remembering those days through expression and through these merchandise. That is another behavioral change that we are seeing across the students and alumni.
Certainly the e-commerce factor is what has allowed us to really scale this up and grow, expand it, because if we were to try to do this on a brick and mortar way, it would not be as efficient as it is doing it on an online platform or mobile platform.
Correct. Currently we are seeing actually decent traction on both platforms. We have not invested big time into the mobility part of it yet, but as a trend, we definitely feel that that is the one that is going to lead the charge in the coming months, and that is the new wave of customers who are going to come in through their mobile apps and the mobile platform that we're launching, where they're going to transact with Campus Mall and buy merchandise.
So we certainly recognize that that's an important segment that we'll have to reach out to our customers through and add that value and make the ease of transaction and ease of adoption of the idea, because increasingly people are obviously, that's the trend we're talking about, accessing their daily activities on the smartphone itself.
Investment, it's entirely self-funded right now. We have not raised any capital, but we probably will look at some of the options available in the next few months.
Well, see, as a country, we're adopting the whole idea of merchandising and flaunting your pride wear, which, you know, if you compare to some of the developed worlds, it's already in the DNA of that culture, right? So what we are seeing with some of the older premier institutes taking the charge, even the newer institutes, you know, everyone wants to create a brand, right? And what better brand than, you know, think of like getting into an education institute is so hard, and once that someone gets through that, they're able to quickly associate with them because it's a hard-earned admission that they've got. So they feel already proud of it that they've been to an institute. An ability to flaunt that, that's the future. We feel that people are going to recognize that brand even more than some of the other generic brands.
See, I mean, the point is, adding to that, in the future, we definitely foresee that school and college merchandise will be an integral part of everything that you use. So it could be the apparel that you wear, could be the office stuff that you're kind of doing, and it's always something which connects you back to a very golden period in your life, which is your student life, right? That is the big
well,
point.
and it even like you go to someone's office, right, and you see a pennant that says, you know, I went to IIT Kanpur, right? Now that is a quick conversation enabler, also icebreaker when you're meeting new people. It's something that minds people on a very natural basis. It has been a good experience for us. You know, we had a really good event last night. We won the award for the licensee of the year in the dress up category. So that was pretty exciting.
Awards make it more exciting always.
And we're excited about, you know, checking through the panels and the panel that we'll be participating today.
And in terms of getting to know more about the segment, I think Franchise India and the Retail Congress has done a great job in helping people like us who are in this sector to be more aware of what's going around with all these exhibitions and the talks that are happening inside. I think overall it was knowledge enhancing. We could build on the network, and there's a lot more branding that we could do for our own business. So it meets all the goals.